tf.cast equivalent in PyTorch? I am new to PyTorch. TensorFlow has an API tf.cast and tf.shape. The tf.cast has specific purpose in TensorFlow. Is there anything equivalent in Torch? I have tensor x equals tensor shape 128, 64, 32, 32. tf.shape x create tensor of dimension 1 x.shape create the true dimension. I need to use tf.shape x in Torch. tf.cast has a different role than just changing tensor d type in Torch. Did anyone have equivalent API in Torch/PyTorch?
Check out the PyTorch documentation. As they mentioned,
if you want to say more, please consider subscribing.